Hi, my name is Kartikeya. I'm 15 years old and I'm going to 10th grade. So when I first came for my first morning in this memory class, I was very open-minded coming into it. I was wondering what I could possibly learn in here. I just wanted to improve my memory as I'm in high school and it would be really useful for my classes. So I came in here and on the first day, Coach Mohan, he told us that he showed us some pretty impressive skills. He was able to random words that we all gave him that morning. He was able to do front, back, and name the number, which one certain in the list, which order some numbers were, and it was pretty cool. And we all were like, "Wow, that's pretty amazing!" And we were like, I was pretty excited because he was like, "Oh, we were going to teach you this. The next 3 days, you'll be able to do this like me." And I was open-minded, so I was like, "Okay, I'm ready to learn this," but I don't know how far I would actually go. And on the first day, it was interesting because we learned 100 words, and that same morning, 30 words we weren't able to learn. But by the end of the day, we memorized an entire list of 100 random objects that were given to us, and that was nice for myself because that helped me believe in myself that, oh, okay, the next 2 days might be very interesting. So these 100 words that we memorized, we were eventually able to learn about how to apply them in real life, and that was it was periodic table, and we learned the first 100 digits of pi. And I'm going to AP chemistry. I'm going to pre-AP chemistry this year, so knowing the periodic table was really helpful to me, and I was excited to learn that. And the 100 digits of pi, of course, that's just a nice piece of knowledge to know. And the third day also was very content heavy, and we learned a lot of things, many different dynasties and moon, planet, all about the planets and everything. So yeah, and at the end of the 3 days, I felt really happy that I actually came to this class because now I can use this same method that we learned in many different things. Actually, the way that he taught us, anything that I ever need to memorize in a short amount of time, I can apply this method, and it's very useful. So I felt very happy.